So here is the vehicle. As you can see, 1999 Rodeo turbo diesel, all very straight, just a few little nicks and wear marks. Here's the engine compartment. You can see it's all very clean. The engine is only 2 years old. It was completely rebuilt by the previous owner, who was a qualified diesel mechanic for the Australian Army. We'll start it up in a moment and you can hear for yourself. There's a couple of big spotties on the front in the aluminium bull bar, all in good order. There's brand new headlights at the front, both sides, and I put new bulbs in all the indicators. Now we'll look inside. The light's not great, I'm sorry, but as you can see, here's the inside. See, there's no radio as advertised. In the back, back seat's good, hardly been used. We've got roof bars. There's 2 spare tyres and rims in good order in the back. We've got the plastic lining. You can see there's no damage. It's all straight all around. Brand new lights at the back. This one unfortunately got a little chip in it not long after I put it in, but tow bar, I haven't done any towing with it, but it's all in good order. You can see the tailgate, no dents or smashes. Come and have a look from this side. It's the inside. Seat again, all in good order. And the front again. All right, now we'll start it up. Now, it hasn't been started today, so this is a cold start. We'll just let the glow plugs warm up for a second. And there you go. First kick, beautiful diesel. There's a little hand throttle here you can use to get a few more revs while it's warming up. There you go. So it's all running well and you'll be very happy with it. So come and make an offer.